Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class and today's topic is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with the electric slab between plate. This is the parallel plate capacitor. Consider a charge plus Q parallel plate capacitor of plate area capital A and separation between plate is D. As you know, this is a charge parallel plate capacitor. One plate consists positive charge and second plate consists minus Q charge. So the electric field intensity between plate is given as electric field intensity between plates is equal to epsilon naught equal to sigma E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, where E naught is the intensity of electric field intensity and epsilon naught equal to permittivity of free space. Permittivity of free space or air Okay. So electric field intensity between plate E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. So due to this electric field intensity, there is a potential between the plate, and the value of potential difference equal to V naught equal to E naught D, because as you know, electric field intensity is equal to the potential gradient. So V equal to ED. Okay, so potential difference equal to the value of E equal to sigma upon epsilon naught D, and value of sigma is equal to Q upon A. Okay, so A epsilon naught upon D equal to Q upon V naught, and Q upon V naught is equal to C, because as you know, C is equal to Q upon V. It means C is equal to A epsilon naught upon D. It is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when there is air between the plate. It is for air. But when a dielectric slab of thickness T, slab of thickness T and dielectric constant K placed between plate, then the electric field intensity in air is E naught. But as you know, the electric field intensity between inside the plate is equal to epsilon naught upon K, because as you know, due to polarization, it is positive charge, and due to polarization there is a negative charge in one side of dielectric substance and other side is positive charge. It means due to this polarization an internal electric field is induced inside the electric plate, and the direction of this internal electric field is in opposite to the external electric field, and the value of, so it means the electric field intensity inside the plate E equal to E naught minus EI, and the value of E naught minus E equal to E naught upon K. In previous video we have already proved this relation. E electric field intensity inside the plate equal to E naught upon K, where K is the dielectric constant. It means the potential between the plate, the potential between plates V equal to V naught D minus T plus E naught D minus T, electric field intensity in air, and E electric field intensity inside the dielectric slab, and the value of E equal to E naught upon K. E naught common, D minus T plus T upon K, and the value of intensity E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. So D minus T plus T upon K, and the value of sigma Q upon A, Q upon A, Q upon A epsilon naught D minus T plus T upon K. Okay, so A epsilon naught upon D minus T plus T upon K equal to Q upon V, Q upon V, and the value of Q upon V equal to C. It means the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when a dielectric slab placed between them is given as A epsilon naught upon D minus T plus T upon K. It is the value of capacitance of a capacitor when a dielectric slab of thickness T and dielectric constant K placed between them. Okay, I hope you understood. You have to do numerical based on this formula. In my next video I will explain the remaining topic of this chapter. Thank you very much.